Welcome back to the channel. If you want to make your life easier and save time, then look no further. With these 5 clever gadgets, we have something useful for everyone. Let's get into it. Portable dishwasher. Ever wish you could wash those pesky dishes and cutlery quicker? This device saves you time, space, and money compared to traditional dishwashers. Simply plug the device in, load your dishes, fill with soap, and then use the high pressure valve to spray till your heart's content. And voila! Now you have clean utensils in a faster time while saving water. A clever device that every household needs. Aura One Packable Backpack. This stylish and comfortable backpack is an essential for your everyday life. The bag consists of 12 different pockets. This includes a shoe and wet clothes compartment, space for a laptop, and everything else you need in your day-to-day life. Using splash-proof and tear-resistant material, the bag is sure to hold up in rough conditions. The best feature? The bag is easily foldable into your suitcase, making it the perfect addition for your travels. Tramontina Guru. Finding it hard to cook delicious meals and follow complicated recipes? We have the perfect solution. The Guru is a smart cooker that essentially handles all the cooking. Its induction heating connects to an app that can control the time and temperature of your cooking as you follow simple video instructions. It guides you through everything step by step, can be easily stowed away, and feeds you at the same time. Cooking made easy. Zip guard. Living in a big city can be dangerous at times with dark forces lurking. That's where this ingenious safety lock comes into play. It's easily installable onto any zipper bag, protecting your items from pickpockets with ease. It also doubles down as a child safety lock to prevent your child from harm. Live your life in peace knowing your valuables are protected with this helpful safety lock. Dayu Trans Steamer. A smart way to clean your home. This cordless steamer can get any job done. It's a clever device that comes with a base station and portable cleaning unit that can heat water to over 100 degrees Celsius. It also comes with many different attachments for your home. Whether you need to mop your floors, steam furniture and clothes, or clean grime from tabletops and glass surfaces, your house will thank you for keeping it dirt-free. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed. Have a nice day.